This channel has made over $2,000 in just the past few months by posting videos like this. And not just them, these kinds of videos are going crazy viral on TikTok and YouTube Shorts right now. In today's video, I'll show you how to create these monetizable funny viral ranking videos in under 5 minutes, using only free tools. No paid apps, no complicated editing, just simple creative steps that anyone can follow. Let's get started. We'll be doing this in 4 simple steps. Step 1. Finding viral funny clips. Step 2. Downloading and organizing them. Step 3. Editing your ranking video in CapCut. And Step 4. Adding titles, colors, and style to make your video pop. Stick around till the end because I'll share a quick bonus tip that helps your videos get way more watch time. Step 1. Finding viral funny clips. First, open TikTok and search for funny dog videos, funny cat clips, or funny moments compilation. You'll instantly notice that these videos pull millions of views every single day. Now, scroll through and look for raw clips, videos that already have high engagement but no editing. If they have a little text on them, that's fine. Just avoid clips that are already part of a montage or meme edit. When you find a good one, copy the video link. This one right here is perfect. It is short, funny, and already going viral. Step 2. Download and organize. Next, open any TikTok downloader and paste that TikTok link to download the video. Then, go back to TikTok and repeat the process for 4 more funny clips. Here's a quick tip: choose videos that have lots of comments and shares. That means people are engaging with it. When you're done, you should have 5 or more viral funny clips. Step 3. Edit. Now open CapCut or any video editor that works for you, import all 5 clips into your timeline and arrange them in order. Consider starting with the funniest or most surprising clip first. Remember, the first 3 seconds decide whether someone keeps watching or scrolls away. Trim each clip to remove dull parts so that every single second is entertaining. This boosts your watch time and retention rate, which helps you go viral even faster. Once your clips are trimmed and organized, we move to adding text. Step 4. Add rankings, titles, and style. Now let's make it look like a top 5 ranking video. Create 5 text layers in CapCut and label them from 5 to 1, bottom to top. Clip number 5 goes first. It creates that suspense and counting down, and clip number 1 will be your final, funniest moment. Extend each text layer to match the clip's duration. Create a text layers for the title. This is where you grab attention. Use funny, comment-triggering titles like "He really thought no one saw him" or "Instant regret moment." Keep your tone playful and creative. That's what sparks comments and shares. Now, highlight all your text layers and choose a bold, readable font. Add a stroke or shadow so the text stands out, especially against bright backgrounds. It looks clean, professional, and instantly signals ranking order to your viewers. Finally, add a title overlay. Now add a big, bold title across the top of your video. You can split it into 2 text layers for a creative touch, for example, Top 5 Funny Moments or Top 5 Funniest Dog Videos Ever. Use bright colors to make it stand out. Maybe yellow for Top 5 and white or light red for Funny Moments. Position it neatly at the top of the frame, and you're done. Now, let's play the full video we just created.
What did I do to you? Don't look at me like that. There, that's better. That's better. There you go. So much better. That's so much.
This is not funny.
Not funny. Not funny.
Not funny.
No.
Lena? Hi. You made Daddy feel bad. You crying.
He's like, oh shit. Haircut.
Can I have a kiss, please?
It's simple, fast, and guaranteed to make people laugh. Good luck, and go make your next viral hit.